Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by matching the trailer to the vehicle and confirming hitch compatibility and mass limits. Once done, lower the trailer tongue and carefully reverse until the hitch mates. Lock the coupling pin and safety chains. Make sure trailer cargo is centered and tied down, then set suspension and tire pressure for the load so handling is predictable. Finally, enable any in-game trailers or towing assists and save a quick profile. This reduces surprises when you begin to move. You now focus on controlled inputs and anticipation. Start in low gear, accelerate smoothly and keep speed steady to prevent snaking. Abrupt throttle or steering causes instability. When turning, use small, deliberate steering movements and correct with countersteer if the trailer begins to yaw. Make sure to brake earlier than usual, apply trailer brakes if the rig has them, and watch mirrors for wheel alignment. If reversing, do it slowly with short steering corrections, and use it to finish. Bring the rig to a complete stop on level ground, set the parking brake, and chock the trailer wheels before disconnecting. Lower the tongue onto a stand, disconnect lights and power, and stow safety chains and straps in designated slots. Save your vehicle state to preserve successful settings. If you experience persistent sway, make sure cargo is moved closer to the axle and reset the hitch angle. If that fails, reload lighter or adjust suspension to regain stable, predictable towing performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.